Hi, superstars. Okay, so today we'll be talking about unique business ideas you can start with 30,000 Naira in Nigeria. Okay, starting a business these days has become capital intensive. Nevertheless, there are businesses you can start with low capital as low as 30,000 Naira. If you have 50,000 Naira, fantastic. If you have 100,000 Naira, amazing. But with as low as 30,000 Naira, you can actually start this business idea I'm about to share with you and then grow from there. And the great thing about it is that you can start from the comfort of your home. You can do it on from your home and then sell online on any platform and then make money from it. All right, so the business idea I'm talking about is perfume business. Okay, so perfume is one product that is used by everyone, my superstars. Even kids these days use perfume. Parents have realized the need to make people have this nice and amazing fragrance and scent. Even kids use perfume these days. We have perfume for kids and all that. So perfume is something that is of high demand right now. People have realized that it's important to have this amazing scent that when you pass by someone, they'll be like, okay. So people are investing into perfumes. We have perfumes for everyone, including as low as 3,000 Naira, you can get a perfume. As low as 2,500 Naira, you can get a perfume. Okay, all right. As low as 1,500 Naira. These days, you can get a good perfume with strong scent, depending on what you want and the type of perfume you want. So in this video, I'll be telling you how to start a perfume business and then make good money from it. All right, first we need to know that perfume oils is the base from which perfumes are gotten. We have perfume oils. Perfume oils are the concentrated type form of perfumes. Okay, we have perfume oils of from different sources, perfume foreign perfume oils that are very concentrated to the point that when you use it on your clothes, it leaves the scent on you for like 2 days, some 3 days. And there are some concentrated perfume oils that even after you wash your clothes, you still have traces of it on your clothes. It is that concentrated. Okay, so perfumes are actually gotten from perfume oils. There are things they add and all that to have perfumes. Okay, but if you want me to do a more detailed video on perfumes, how to make perfume, there are things you mix to have perfumes. Okay, if you want me to make a full video, please let me know in the comment section. But let's talk about perfume oils. You can make so much money from perfume oils. There are places they sell perfume oils. They come in 100 ml vials. They come in 50 ml vials. Okay. You can buy in smaller meals. You can buy in 3 meals. You can buy in 5 meals, in 10 meals, depending on the amount you have. And then put it in bottles. We have different types of bottles. We have bottles like this is a 3 ml bottle. Okay, you can pour your perfume oil into bottles like this. And we have a bottle like this is about, I think this is a 7 ml or 6 ml bottle. Okay, so we have different bottles of different sizes. This is a plastic a bottle, and we also have plastic containers. This is a plastic containers where you can also pour your perfume oils depending on what you want. But bottles like this are mostly used for perfume oils. Okay, you have them in 3 meals, in 6 meals, and some people want more. There are higher sizes of bottles, so depending on what you want, you can buy it and then put it in those bottles and then you sell it. All right, we have different heads. We have bottles with roll-on kind of heads. Okay, this is a sample. You can buy it and put it in a bottle like this, and whenever the person would like roll the oil on point, and then it does the magic. And we also have spray bottles for perfume oils. This one has a spray bottle mouth where you press and then it comes out. So there are different types of bottles where you can pour in your perfume oils and then sell it. when there are places that sell these perfume oils, they sell it in smaller quantities, like a meal. They'll tell you the price for a meal. There are perfume oils that sell at 1,800 for a meal. There are some that sell at 800 naira for a meal, depending on the type of fragrance you choose. We have different fragrances. We have some designer fragrances that are sold in smaller bottles, in smaller quantities for different people so they can afford it. Okay, so depending on the fragrance you choose, we also have fragrances that go for 3,000 naira for a meal. Okay, we have fragrances that sell at 2,000 naira for a meal. So it depends on what you want. By the time you buy it, you pour it into these bottles, you can then resell it and make money from it. Every state has a place where they sell these fragrances, and we also have people who are strictly into sell of perfume oils in bulk. Okay, mostly in some states you find them in places where they sell things for skincare. Okay, where they sell materials for making skincare products, organic skincare products. If you walk into those shops, you'll see fragrances. In shops where they sell materials for liquid soap and all those things, you will see fragrances, because all these oils, some of them add it to those things to give fragrance. So you will definitely see it there. So, or you can walk in there and then make your choice of fragrance and then put it, buy these bottles. These bottles are of different prices depending on the design and the size. Okay, so if your bottle is very complicated, looks very expensive, then it will be expensive. This is a typical example. Okay, this bottle is for perfume. Okay, you can see how it has a very beautiful cover right here. Okay, so you can open it and then pour in your perfume inside this bottle and then cover it right back. Okay, and then you're good to go. So we have different bottles, and these different bottles have different prices. I think this one went for about 1,800 naira or thereabout, or was it 1,500? So we have different bottles, different prices for different designs. So based on what you want and what the customer you are selling to, you can choose your bottles. And we also have bottles you can fill with perfume using an atomizer. We have what's called an atomizer, which you use to fill your perfume in a bottle. You can't open the mouth of the bottle like this. Okay, you actually have to use a device that's called an atomizer to like fill the bottle with perfume. All right, so for a beginner, that's kind of big. So I would recommend you go for bottles you can just turn and then pour in your thing. And maybe as you grow your brand, you can then go for more sophisticated bottles and all that. So you can then choose to mix one or two fragrances to have a unique scent of your own and then give it its name. Okay, you can choose to mix different fragrances to have your unique fragrance. Okay, and then you give it your name and then sell it. All right, so that fragrance, even if the person goes to the market or anywhere, won't find it, not knowing it's your unique fragrance. Okay, so maybe in our next video where I'll show us how to mix perfumes, there are things you add to perfumes, to perfume oils, and then different things you add to perfume oils. From there you have perfumes. There are things you add that will leave that cooling sensation. You know, there are perfumes that when you pour on your skin you feel this cooling effect. There are things you actually add to perfume oils to like increase it and then leave that cooling effect whenever you spray it on your skin. Okay, if you want me to do a full video, my superstars, let me know in the comment section, and then I'll make a full video on how to make perfumes, how to mix perfume. Okay, I'll call it a mixology class. If you want me to do a mixology class, let me know in the comment section. All right, my superstar. So these are the basics you need. With 30,000 naira, you can get started in perfume business in Nigeria and then make money from it. All you need to do is walk into a skincare shop, make your choice of fragrance, and then choose your bottles and then pour it, and then you are in business. Fix your price, and that is it. All right, my superstars. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification. Thank you for watching. I love you, superstars. Bye.